Today we're gonna talk about a new aspect ratio for YouTube which is not only fills the entire screen to create a better viewing experience, but also make your videos stand out. Hey, welcome to my new one. The last couple of days I've been watching through YouTube with the intention to collect new ideas how I could make a better viewing experience for you and my future audience on my YouTube channel. From the very beginning I have defined certain colors, fonts and shooting techniques to give my channel a consistent design and make my videos recognizable. But I've noticed a problem. Latest stats reveal that 90% of YouTube users access the platform through mobile devices, which means that 9 of 10 people consume the videos on a phone. And since modern phones get thinner bezels and wider screens, I personally think that we need to adapt our content to the new technology. Most YouTube videos are in a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the standard for normal TVs and screens, even though the new phones have a much wider 19.5:9 aspect ratio. At this point I'm asking myself, why don't we use the entire screen? In my opinion it looks way better since we have significantly more screen area. And yes, depending on the phone model, you will have your dynamic island or your front camera in the video, but I don't think it bothers me or looks bad at all. But it's not only perfect for a mobile device. While I was researching for this video, I've accidentally noticed that this format is also much better to watch on a normal monitor. Since I personally like to read the comments during a video, I rarely use the full screen mode. Of course, if I'm watching a longer format, like a documentary for example, I do watch it in full screen, but for the normal content I always use the theater mode. Theater mode gives me the full width of my browser, even though I can have other windows open or look around in the comments. Compared to a normal 16:9 video, the new format looks much better since we lose all the black borders on each side. Of course, it's not the newest idea. Bigger YouTube creators like Marcus Brownlee and Peter McKinnon are already using cropped images to gain more screen space since years. But YouTube also released an update that allows us to fill the entire screen. The problem though is that the video is simply getting cropped till it fills the entire screen, which can cut off certain areas in your image. But if you wanna do it the right way, I will show you how. To get this aspect ratio, we need to set up the project settings correctly. I personally work with DaVinci Resolve, but you can do it with all programs that have manually adjustable resolution. All my videos are shot in 4K. The normal resolution for a 16:9 aspect ratio is 3840 by 2160. To achieve a wider screen, we need to crop the height of the video from 2160 to 7072. This gives us the 19.5:9 aspect ratio, which matches the new phone screens. Now you can edit your video, move the images with the titles to ensure nothing is cut off. I would really love to hear your opinion on that one. Comment below what you think of this idea and if you want to see more of my videos and this aspect ratio. I hope you liked this one. If so, leave me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my content, subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my next one. Another one. Nice.